So right now, I'm chopping ginger, onions, and I'm gonna get the tomatoes. So I have cherry tomatoes here. I'm gonna use some of it for the salmon. I'm gonna bake salmon in a salad master EOC. Now I'm cutting the cherry tomatoes to add to my baked salmon, and then I'm gonna use mayonnaise, and also I'm gonna add veggies, bell pepper, and celery. So it's gonna be yummy salmon with celery and bell pepper. So this is our dinner, late dinner, because we did nap late. I was too tired doing the gardening. So then after that, too much heat outside because it's right, all the sunshine in the area. So that's why when I get in, I kind of too tired and take a nap. So now I'm done cutting with cherry. Cutting now the sweet pepper. So at least we have vegetable on with the fish. Tomatoes, bell pepper. Bell pepper is very good for your body because a lot of vitamin C. And tomatoes is good for the eyes, lycopene. Onions and ginger is good for your liver and lungs. So now, programming my probe 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Siyempre, salpak mo na dito. Ayan na, salpak na sa EOC. And then, of course, we're gonna do the fish. So, you don't have to wash this fish because this is clean already. We're just gonna cut this. So I'm cutting the fish now, the salmon, and then I'm gonna add virgin coconut oil on the pan for the virgin olive oil, guys, virgin olive oil. Virgin olive oil is good for your heart. So we're gonna put this here. The tomatoes and the bell pepper. And we can put the salmon. And I'm gonna put some mayo. There's mayo. I'm gonna put some little bit salt on it. And then black pepper. smells so good already, guys. With bell pepper and tomatoes. And then, adding the onions. And the ginger. So, after that, put the lid on. And it's gonna cook for only 8 to 10 minutes, guys. We're gonna have a baked salmon. So now, while waiting the salmon to cook, of course, I'm gonna put lettuce on the plate for the nice presentation. So the salmon I'm gonna put on the top of this plate. So only 1 minute left of 10 minutes. I can smell already the smells. It's nice. Oh, now it's automatically turned off and it's clicking already. It means it's cooked. Let's check it out. Oh wow, look at that. Wow. You see, guys? The veggies are intact. It's not soggy. It's just half cooked. Wow. Bon appetit. Let's check that if it's really cooked in the middle. Yeah, it's really cooked. So now, let's put it on the plate. Okay. And then put the veggies. See, guys, it's beautiful. It smells so good. It smells yummy. Bon appetit. Let's see. I'm gonna try it, guys. Gonna try it. Oh my god, it's so tender. It's so good. Wow, this is perfect. It's juicy. Because of the tomatoes, it's become juicy.